Greetings, my friends. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. So friends, it is happening again. 2 more state governments have just approved a new one-time stimulus payment for their residents. Checks worth up to $500 can be now claimed by eligible residents. These checks will also be sent through direct deposit and via mail. Top Democrats in the Senate have also announced that they are soon closing a deal with Senate Democrat Joe Manchin on the social spending bill. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning. Thank you so much, friends.
We're taking action to address gas prices as well. Today, gas prices are lower than they were early in this decade, but they're still high enough to create a pinch on working families. One key thing about the infrastructure bill that just passed the Senate is there are no gas tax increases. No gas tax increases. I made that absolutely clear that I would not raise gas taxes. I'm glad everyone in the Senate seemed to agree with that. But that's not enough. Recently, we've seen the price that oil companies pay for a barrel of oil begin to fall. But the cost of gasolines at the pump for more American people hasn't fallen. That's not what you'd expect in a competitive market. I want to make sure that nothing stands in the way of oil price declines leading to lower prices for consumers. So today, my director of the National Economic Council has asked the chair of the Federal Trade Commission to use every available tool to monitor the U.S. gasoline market and address any illegal conduct that might be contributing to price increases at the pump while the cost of barrel oil is going down. We also made clear to
many Missouri taxpayers could receive a one-time refund of up to $500 per individual under a new plan that was endorsed by state senators. It is a way to offset inflation while whittling down a state surplus. The Senate proposal is similar to one that was passed previously by the House, but would apply to fewer people at a lower cost to the state. The plan still needs the final Senate vote to go on to the House and then on to Governor Mike Parson. Individual taxpayers earning up to $150,000 a year and married couples with adjusted gross incomes of $300,000 may receive the one-time refund of up to $500 per individual and $1,000 per couple. This is under the Senate plan. These refunds could be prorated to keep the total cost below a cap of $500 million. The House plan contains a similar size refund, but no income eligibility limits and a total cap of $1 billion before proration kicks in. Democrats who oppose the Republican-backed House plan had argued it was tilted towards the wealthy. But under either plan, people must pay taxes to be eligible for a refund. In practice, individuals will receive a $1 refund for each $1 of taxes owed until their tax bill reaches a refund limit of $500. Senate Appropriations Committee Chairman Don Hedgeman, a Republican who sponsored the plan, described it as a rebate of your hard-earned tax dollars. He also stated that inflation was driving up the cost of living and cutting into people's earnings. Senate Minority Leader John Rizzo, who is a Democrat, added the income eligibility limitation. He said it focused a tax relief on middle-income people who have been through the ringer the last few years. Lawmakers are considering tax breaks as they are wrapping up work on a record-large state budget, swelled up by strong state tax collections and an influx of federal crisis aid. The 2 chambers face a May 13th deadline to agree on this legislation. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp has also signed into law a bill that would soon send payments to Georgians out of a state budget surplus of more than $2 billion. Of that surplus, $1.6 billion is being sent directly back to the pockets of Georgia residents who paid state income taxes for at least the last 2 years. These checks could be arriving anytime or in a few weeks for eligible recipients. One other thing to remember is that this is a one-time payment from the state of Georgia. It is not the same as your overall income tax return refund. When that comes, it will still be a matter of the federal government sending out refunds, same as every year. Friends, the key word for this video is Santa Barbara. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. Then comment below this keyword, which is Santa Barbara, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so very much, friends. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin's new focus is on putting together an ambitious bipartisan energy and climate package. It is being met with skepticism from fellow Democrats who view it as a stalling tactic. Joe Manchin had told reporters this week that his focus is on crafting bipartisan energy legislation, which would center on proposals to incentivize green energy technologies and bolster the fossil fuel industry. Manchin says he's focused on getting an energy deal with Republicans, and it is taking priority over any attempts to negotiate a budget reconciliation package that could pass the Senate with 50 Democratic votes. Senator Manchin told reporters, "My main thing is inflation, fighting inflation," waving away a question about whether he could support including the Affordable Care Act related healthcare subsidies in the reconciliation package. One Democratic senator has told The Hill, "We are running out of time. The calendar is staring us in the face, and I am concerned we have no time to waste on conversations that are futile." So, my friends, please let me know if you think that the Democrats are getting enough done to reduce inflation. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. And I truly hope that you found this video helpful. Since today is Mother's Day, I will be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards. Remember, friends, to enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Mother's Day.